Hello, today we're going to be turning this old box into a ribbon storage box. We appreciate your support. Please hit subscribe and like. So we'll start by cutting the tops off of the box. And just adjust the size of your box to the amount of ribbons you'll need to store. Then we'll cut the front out. It's a low cost and easy project to make. So because I've cut the front out, the lid I was going to stay on there didn't stay on, so I'll just tape that on with some masking tape. From some of the material cut off already, we'll cut some pieces out of there and fill in some of the uneven parts on the bottom and sides. It's such a cool project to do. Can't believe we come up with something so nice out of an old cardboard box. So for this project we're using two different types of paper. We had this one with the swans, but it was actually a wedding paper. We were going to use it for the outside. So we trimmed close to the print part and we're going to use it as a border. Amazing what you can do with a little bit of ingenuity. So we'll just hot glue those strips onto the side there to make a nice border on the top. We recommend using high contrast colors. In this case we have the two blues with the swans, and so you can use either another blue, or dark blue or light blue, or some other color that will really contrast with the frame. For our choice, we chose a dark blue to go with the swans. Then we just cut the corners about an inch down and straight down to the corner, so there's a bit of overlap, so you have a nice fold in there. And that will give you a much cleaner edge. Then just continue on to the other corners and copy the same procedure. You might have to trim it back just a little bit when you're doing that one to the corner there too, because it is a box and it's not quite even, and it gives a nice finish. Then on the inside you'll follow a similar procedure, putting in pieces, cutting the corners, bending them in. Then you just glue them in order and you'll get a nice clean edging and finish on that. And to finish our box, we're going to be putting a silver color on the bottom with some glitter, just to give it a little bit of that glam look. And that little bit of sparkle really lightens it up. There, isn't that pretty? Now we'll move on to the rods. Dowel holders can be kind of expensive, but for free, we can use some bottle caps that we have. We just snip out a segment of the cap, just large enough for your dowel to slide in. Then just use that cap and measure and cut the others. Then just measure your dowel to make sure it fits inside the box and cut them to size. Oh, and here's my assistant Harry. Time for a break. Pebbles is up next. Now we'll put in our bottle caps. Just make sure that the cut openings are on the right side when you glue them in, so that you can put your dowel in. And just sort of eyeball them so that they look pretty level and even. Once your dowel holders are in, you'll just place some ribbon on the dowel and put it in the holder. Thanks for crafting with me today. I hope you enjoyed the project and I hope you give it a try. We'll be having lots of organizational projects coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you soon.